Worst foods for gout, best foods for gout, hyperuricemia symptoms, natural remedies for gout. Best foods for gout. Low-Purine Foods. Fruits, cherries, especially effective in reducing gout attacks, apples, bananas, and citrus fruits. Vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, and zucchini. Avoid high-purine vegetables like asparagus and spinach in large amounts. Whole grains, brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread. Low-fat dairy, yogurt, milk, and cheese can lower uric acid levels. Legumes, lentils, beans, peas, and tofu as plant-based protein sources. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, and omega-3 rich fish oil. Avoid high-purine seafood like shellfish and sardines. Hydrating options. Water. Staying hydrated helps flush uric acid. Herbal teas, chamomile or green tea. Moderation is key. Anti-inflammatory foods. Ginger, known to reduce inflammation. Turmeric, curcumin may help with joint health. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants. Foods to limit or avoid. High-purine foods, red meats, organ meats, liver, kidney, and certain fish, anchovies, herring. Sugary foods, sodas, candies, and other high-fructose corn syrup items. Alcohol, especially beer and spirits, as they can increase uric acid. Processed foods, high in refined carbs and unhealthy fats. Symptoms of hyperuricemia: joint pain or swelling, often felt in the big toe, ankles, knees, or elbows. Pain can be sharp and intense during gout attacks. Redness and warmth in joints. Inflamed joints may appear red and feel hot to the touch. Stiffness or limited movement. Affected joints may feel stiff or difficult to move. Tophi formation, chronic hyperuricemia. Nodules of uric acid crystals under the skin, commonly around joints, fingers, or toes. Kidney symptoms. Pain in the lower back or sides, indicating potential kidney stones. Difficulty urinating or blood in the urine from uric acid stones. Fatigue or malaise. Chronic inflammation may cause overall tiredness or a feeling of being unwell. Complications of untreated hyperuricemia. Gout. Recurrent painful arthritis attacks caused by uric acid crystal deposits in the joints. Kidney stones. Uric acid crystals can form stones in the kidneys, causing severe pain and urinary issues. Chronic kidney disease, CKD. Prolonged hyperuricemia can damage kidney function. Cardiovascular risks. Hyperuricemia is linked to an increased risk of hypertension and heart disease. Natural remedies for gout. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help flush uric acid from your body. Herbal teas and broths can also contribute to hydration. 2. Cherries. Eat fresh cherries or drink unsweetened cherry juice. Studies show cherries may lower uric acid and reduce the risk of gout attacks. 3. Ginger. Anti-inflammatory properties make ginger effective for gout relief. Use it as a tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water. Apply ginger paste directly to swollen joints for relief. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink daily. Its acidity may help reduce uric acid. 5. Lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into water to help alkalize the body and reduce uric acid levels. 6. Turmeric. The compound curcumin in turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Add turmeric to food or take it as a supplement. 7. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Mix half teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. This may help neutralize uric acid. Limit use if you have high blood pressure or sodium restrictions. 8. Celery seed extracts. Celery seed supplements or fresh celery can help reduce inflammation and uric acid levels. 9. Dietary fiber. Increase intake of fiber-rich foods like oats, bananas, and apples to help remove uric acid from the bloodstream. 10. Avoid triggers. Limit high-purine foods such as red meats, organ meats, and shellfish. Avoid alcohol, especially beer and spirits, as they increase uric acid production. 11. Epsom salt baths. Soak the affected joint in warm water with Epsom salt. Magnesium and Epsom salt can relax muscles and reduce inflammation. 12. Exercise and weight management. Maintain a healthy weight through regular low-impact exercise. Being overweight can increase uric acid levels and the risk of gout attacks. Medications for gout. 1. For acute gout attacks, these medications help relieve pain and inflammation during a flare-up. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Examples: ibuprofen, naproxen, indomethacin. Purpose: reduce inflammation and pain. Notes: over-the-counter options are available, but higher doses may require a prescription. Colchicine. Brand names: Colchris, Mitigare. Purpose: reduces inflammation and pain specific to gout. Notes: best taken at the onset of symptoms, may cause side effects like diarrhea or stomach upset. Corticosteroids. Examples: prednisone, methylprednisolone. Purpose: quickly reduce inflammation in severe cases. Notes: usually prescribed when NSAIDs or colchicine cannot be used, can be taken orally or injected. 2. Long-term uric acid management. These medications aim to prevent gout by lowering uric acid levels. Xanthine oxidase inhibitors. Examples: allopurinol, xyloprim, alloprim, febuxostat, Uloric. Purpose: reduce uric acid production in the body. Notes: start at a low dose to minimize the risk of triggering a gout attack during initiation. Uricosuric. Examples: probenecid, lesinurad, Zerampic. Purpose: increase uric acid excretion via the kidneys. Notes: require good kidney function, may increase the risk of kidney stones. Pegloticase. Brand name: Kerstexa. Purpose: breaks down uric acid into a form that is easier to eliminate. Notes: used for severe, chronic gout not responsive to other treatments, given as an intravenous infusion.